Hello, I'm Susan. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show some snap jewelry, and we have all kinds of bracelets, rings, earrings, and pendants. So what kind of jewelry, snap jewelry we have? Like I will show you. Let's show. I say first we say our desk, and I already put our snappers here. And this is all snapper accessories. Not the bracelets, and this is the ring accessories. Just a fit for our snapper buttons. This is 3 designs for snapper buttons, and later I will one by one and okay. And first we say this lucky Clover glass snapper button, and also we can DIY. This is a lucky Clover, very fun snapper but jewelry, right? It only needs 0.12 1 piece, and minimum order is 10 pieces because you can change every day according to your dress, okay, according to your mood. Okay, and this is a flower. It's a mixed flower pattern, different colors, and the size is 18 millimeters. Okay, and we can use. The third one is the tree of life. Means that wrong have a good means. Tree of life, different colors, alloy. Okay. So now we try one by one. Say, because we say such kind of snap accessory is very boring and very simple, but fit in our button rings, it feels different. First we use this lucky Clover glass, okay? Clover patterns, beautiful, right? Right? Okay, and then we choose the flowers, different flowers, each flower from different pictures. Just a little slides, and we should this right one. Different, right? Okay, we use the different rings. Use this one big ring. Use with our tree of life, right? Okay. Very beautiful, and also you can send for your friends for gifts. I mean, later I choose the leather bracelets, and I choose the flower. Easy for us put on, okay, and also easy for us detach from the step accessories. Use this right. Okay, beautiful. This is a snapper for every personality, every styles, and even every occasion you can use them. Different snapper buttons. Okay, to change your snappers according to your mood and your dress. Okay, so many kind of buttons. Snapper buttons, which one you like, and you can go to our website and to purchase. Okay,